I'm tired of all the yappers saying that you need 100,000 subscribers to get brand deals. That's not the truth. Now, if you want to be a small creator and get brand deals, you do need the media kit, sponsorship outreach. What's up, creators? I'm Chris. Thank you for tuning in to In the Making. Make sure you hit the like button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel, follow along in the journey, and definitely hit that hype button. Appreciate you putting in an algorithm because today we're talking about how to get brand deals, specifically how to get brand deals when you're a small content creator. The creator economy is ferocious and it is a challenging space to be in, especially now. Everybody's picking up their phone, making content. So, how do you become profitable? Let's break this down step by step. The first thing you got to know about brand deals is that they're possible. It is very much possible for you to get a brand deal, even if you are a small content creator with a tiny audience. Here on YouTube, it really depends on your engagement. And I would say that's really the case across the board. I recently did a video on the creator economy, breaking down exactly what these companies are looking for. Like they literally will tell you, they're answering surveys and stuff all the time. They're looking for engagement. If you're a micro creator, meaning you have a smaller audience than the macro creator, which is like 100,000 plus, that means that they're looking at your engagement over anything else. The brands want to know that if we work with this content creator, we're going to get engagement from their brand, from their audience. Like that means you're getting comments, you have shares, right? And you're in there having a conversation. You have a community that they can access. That's what these brands want. That is what they're paying for. Now, before I continue, what brands would you want to work with? Like, tell me about your dream brands you would love to work with. Put it down in the comments below. The next thing you must have if you want to be a creator and get brand deals is a media kit. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make a media kit in 2026. You need to use Claude. Bro, I built my media kit on Claude and it looks amazing. And I'm not saying it has to be aesthetically pleasing. I just like it to be that way. And I find that the brands are more engaging when you approach them showing your aesthetic and you're consistent across the board with your socials, the way you present yourself, in your sponsorship outreach emails, all of that stuff being consistent with even small things like the details, the font. They love it and they notice those things. The colors, they notice these things. It might seem like it's a detail that doesn't matter, but I think you should be consistent across the board. A prompt that I use is literally telling Claude, hey, I have these details, and I literally go and download my analytics from all my platforms, upload to Claude, and say, hey, look, build me a media kit for my brand right now. My goal is to work with these specific companies. That's why I ask you to put it in the comments. And I want to do short term and long term partnerships. And again, give it all the data, all the analytics. So download it from TikTok, Instagram, from YouTube, put it all on there. So then when it makes your media kit, it could look beautiful, right? And that's what you want is to have all the data as well. And then, of course, in your media kit, add other details like how they can contact you, your brand website, all of those things. Now, having a media kit is important, but if you don't get the outreach template right, you will not get anywhere. And even if you get denied, it's still good to use this outreach template because it works. I'm going to put it down in the description box down below. This is my outreach template that I use to consistently connect with brands. Again, sometimes I even get denied. I'm not ashamed to tell you that, right? I don't get every deal that I reach out for or ask about. I just got denied by Riverside. It is what it is. They told me I don't have enough engagement to work with them. And so now I know I got to get the engagement up and I go back in a month and we had a conversation again. And I think that's the beauty of the outreach template is you get in the room to at least start the conversation where you as a creator are on this brand's radar. That's what you want. If you want to be a profitable content creator, you have to be out there with the right brands. I say this all the time. If you're just chasing AdSense dollars or social media payouts like the creator program on TikTok or Meta and Instagram, you're probably not going to be profitable. You want to take the time, put in the work to get in front of these brands in the right places. That's why the outreach template is so damn important. And it goes something like this. Hey, I'm so and so. I connect with your audience through these different platforms. I put out this type of content, and my mission is to really impact the market in this specific way. I love to work with you. I've attached my media kit. I would love if we could connect and discuss a test run of sorts. Simple. That's how you get in the room. You get in the conversation. And again, sometimes you get denied, but Most of the time when I use this, I get a response. Now, if it's big brands, then yeah, it's like too far out of reach. But most of the time, I get a response almost immediately. Now, the last thing you got to think about is the conversion rate. I just mentioned how you can get ignored or you get responses. The truth is, when you're looking for brand deals, don't get discouraged by the lack of a conversion rate. If it's super low, don't worry about it. Don't panic. Stay focused, keep going. If you keep showing up, keep putting out the content, eventually you get to a point where the brands are reaching out to you. So never panic over the conversion rate when you're doing your sponsorship outreach for brand deals. In the beginning, especially when you don't have a massive audience, your engagement isn't crazy, you're probably not going to get a bunch of answers and it won't be immediate, it won't be instant. But if you stay consistent, I pretty much guarantee you will get to the point where brands are responding to you. And by consistent, I mean they're on their feeds. I would even say you should follow the brands you want to work with and comment on their stuff, engage with their content. So even a social person sees your name a lot, you're top of mind, right? They see your content, your comments all the time. Eventually, somebody from that team is going to notice you because when you do outreach and your name pops up in the email, it's like, wait a second, I see this person all the time on Instagram or on TikTok, even on LinkedIn. That's what you want. You want to be noticeable to these brands. You want to be able to connect with them on a deeper level. So the conversion rate matters, but it shouldn't discourage you. So stay locked in. If you're going to be a profitable content creator, understand that this is a long game. It's a long process and you guys stay focused. So make sure you search Chris H Outreach on YouTube for the full template and some of the research I've done. Again, I put out videos breaking down all of this stuff in detail. And drop deal in the comments if you're ready to get you some brand deals this year. I'll see you next time.